too late. Every ping pulls me from me. I've been stuck on auto feed, smiling in meetings, dying inside, checking boxes, losing time. There's more to me than desk and grind, than group chats and unread replies. I don't wanna just survive, I wanna wake up and feel alive. I miss days with no